So driving up the driveway, there's your 3-car garage, the deck. So this is Rolling Ridge Road down there. So coming in the back door, there is a really nice pantry, and there is washer dryer hookup here. They just moved the washer dryer downstairs to take advantage of the pantry. Walk into nice large kitchen. You got a gas stove, really nice appliances, breakfast bar. Got the cathedral ceilings here. Nice little nook areas. This is a nice storage closet. A wood fireplace and the stone. And then this walks out to a really nice deck. So that is really nice. There's steps that go down and you end up in the front of the garage there. And this walks out to a really nice 3-car garage. There are steps that go down here into the basement area. So floor drain there. Got an entryway closet here. Again, nice closet there. This goes downstairs to the basement. Main bathroom, main area bathroom. And this is 3 bedrooms. Upstairs, 1 bedroom. Second bedroom, and the master. So laminate flooring throughout the home. It's a little different in there than it is in the master. You got the tray ceilings, nice lighting everywhere. A really pretty view of the woods. These are really nice windows. They got the lights in between the glass, and you don't have to worry about any black. You know, they're all actually the wood colored vinyl. You got 6 panel doors throughout. So master bathroom. So 2 tub showers, and then this is really nice walk-in closet area. Linen off to the left. So it is a couple different zones. They do have some outlets for the like a central vac system, but must have not have completed it because there is no central vac unit, but the outlets are there. So you come down, there is a nice big living area here. There's he's got it used as a hunting room. It could be a nice hunting room, or it could be an office or a craft room. So this area here actually is a nice big area you could use for workout area, but they have this 4th bedroom down here. They're using it as a workout area. Got your family room, nice wood on the walls, storage closet underneath the steps there. This walks out to above the deck. Guys, nice patio here overlooking the backyard, garden over there. So this area here, you know, has concrete. You can come down from the garage area here. This could be, you know, a little workshop area or something. You know, they just had this, so you're coming in and out, and then you can go into a bathroom without going on the carpet, which is nice. And you got a nice big tile shower. So going off the other way in the basement, a couple steps down, you got a nice big laundry room. Got the slab sink and cabinets for storage, and nice countertop for folding. And then this is the mechanical. So forced air furnace, electric hot water heater. There's where your drilled well, conventional septic. Does have the AC. So there's the view from the road. This is just a dead-end road. There's one person passed here, and then they have this really nice garden shed and garden, and the lot extends. If you did want to have room for like a shed or something, you would have room to put extra shed. So this is all part of it. So pulling out here, this goes right back out to County S, and you Highway 51. It's not that far off Highway 51. Easy commute if you work in Wausau. Wouldn't be that far.